Hi, I'm Olivia, a custody advisor at Wall Street Prison Consultants. Today we're going to discuss criminal conspiracies. A conspiracy, in legal terms, implies a clandestine agreement between two or more parties to engage in unlawful conduct. Federal conspiracy charges are not limited to just drug offenses. They encompass a vast range of activities, from financial fraud to acts of terrorism. The gravity of a conspiracy charge lies in its ability to cast a wide net, pulling in all participants, whether they played a significant role or were just on the periphery. According to U.S. federal law, 18 U.S.C. Section 371, a conspiracy exists when there is an agreement between two or more people to commit any offense against the United States or defraud the United States or any agency thereof, either directly or indirectly. At least one of those involved in the conspiracy must perform an overt act to further or advance the conspiratorial agreement. A significant aspect of federal conspiracy is that it's a separate offense from the underlying crime. This means an individual can be charged and convicted for both the conspiracy and the crime that was the conspiracy's objective. Conspiracies pose a unique threat, as they involve collaborative criminal efforts. This collective effort often results in crimes of a greater magnitude, or crimes executed with increased efficiency and effectiveness. Examples of a conspiracy include: Number 1. Imagine Robert, a savvy financier, and his associate, Clara, devise a plan to create a fake investment scheme, promising high returns to potential investors. They develop sophisticated-looking portfolios, advertise their scheme on legitimate platforms, and even create a fake auditing firm to provide proof of their scheme's success. Diana, a software developer, is hired to create a website for the auditing firm. Though she finds some aspects of her task odd, she doesn't question her clients and completes her job. The scheme garners millions from unsuspecting investors. However, a suspicious investor alerts the federal authorities, leading to a thorough investigation. While Robert and Clara are the primary conspirators, the wide-reaching nature of conspiracy law means Diana, despite her peripheral role and lack of knowledge about the full scope of Robert and Clara's plan, could also be implicated. Her creation of the fake auditing firm's website may be seen as an overt act furthering the conspiracy. Number 2. Peter and Paul are getting drunk, and Peter suggests they rob a bank. Paul agrees to it. So although they have agreed to commit bank robbery, no crime has yet been committed. Paul goes on Google and finds a branch of the Bank of America. Peter then finds a place they can park their getaway car. Choosing the bank and the getaway car location are considered overt acts to further the crime, and they are now guilty of conspiracy for bank robbery, whether the actual robbery takes place or not. For more information on criminal conspiracies, you should contact a prison consultant.